Went around the place, Abhinandan year. Okay, November 23rd. I went around this place. Okay, I'll go now very fast showing you. But I don't know what this person is selling. But when I was studying engineering, I used to read this book, Harold Robbins. When I was 30 years ago, I was reading this book. 30 years ago. So what is this book, Machu Picchu?
Yeah.
Dubai? Japan, Dubai, Machu Picchu.
Hi.
You gone?
Yes.
You?
This is
Okay.
my wife.
Okay. Where is this place? Where is this place? Where is this photo?
It's the Shimbun daily in Okinawa.
Oh, Okinawa.
Yes.
I've been to Okinawa. I was there in Okinawa. Okay. Okay, photo. Okay. Very good. Okinawa, Japan. I was there in Okinawa in 2018.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, when did you go to Okinawa?
2060.
2016.
Yeah.
Okay. I went in 2018. I was there for more than 1 week. 1 week in Okinawa, Tokyo, and Osaka and Tokyo.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Since I don't speak Spanish, it's not in English. If it was English, I would have taken the book. Spanish. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Nice meeting you. I'll come once again.
Okay.
But this was a book when I was doing my engineering. I was reading. Nice meeting you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. So, thank you. So there are a lot of things, but it all does not interest me now much. But I just see it once because I have to come out of my room. If I'm only sitting and working, I will fall sick. Okay. So let me show you a few things for recording purpose. Here I saw these stones. I was surprised. She mentions based on zodiacal sign, amethyst. This is amethyst, but I can understand some words. She mentioned the emotional, psychological benefit. But I see a stone which is from Bolivian art. This is from here? Bolivia? You speak English? No. Okay. You don't get emerald, green emerald, Colombia emerald? Huh? Emerald. Colombian emerald. What is this, huh?
Cuarzo verde.
Okay.
Cuarzo verde.
Cuarzo verde.
Esta.
Okay. Okay.
Aquí.
Yeah. I got it. So a lot of these things are there. Unlike in Bangkok or in Malaysia or Hong Kong or the Philippines, or even if you take India also, you will get something useful and value for money. Here, if you see some of these things also,
honey, propolis.
this which one is propolis?
Sí,
No, how much is this one?
sí, propolis. Propolis con miel.
This 10 Bolivian is this full thing?
Sí,
Full?
yes.
Okay. Very good. Okay. This is a pure propolis?
Sí, tiene
Pura?
pura, así sería. Propolis.
Okay.
¿Es la tira, adiós? Sí, adiós.
See how they make this? This is honey inside, or honey or propolis. Bee honey. You speak English?
Poquito.
Huh?
Poquito.
Poquito. I am naturally learning Spanish without taking an effort. Words I'm getting. Okay. I am diabetic. So no, for diabetic people, I can't eat this.
Sí, hay candy de propolis igual.
Propolis you can? Diabetic people?
Sí.
Okay. How much is this?
5.
5. This is propolis.
Sí, propolis.
This is also propolis.
Sí.
Okay. Let me check and come back.
Ya.
I'll see which one is to decide to buy. Okay, honey is very good, but I'll tell you one stupid mistake I did. In Dubai, I purchased Mr. Jamil is a proof of it. I paid 440 dirhams. That's 8,800 rupees for about half a kg or less propolis honey. I went to that factory, I and Mr. Jamil. I went to that factory like in Shaharjah or somewhere, purchased it, and I came to Bangalore and I forgot. Even till today I have not used it, and this is more than 5 years ago. What is that? Invite and cafe Ansar Ganar in dollars.
Yes.
What is that? I am from India. I'm interested in earning in dollars.
No, don't speak English.
But you speak good English.
No, Spanish only.
Oh, that is okay. But what is it? Earn in dollars?
Sí,
Ganar means earn, no?
Mediante contrato inteligente. Smart contract. Smart contract.
Smart contract.
Smart contract, wallet, hot wallet, blockchain, internet.
Very good. I am very interested.
Pool de liquidez.
Huh?
Liquidity pool.
Oh, liquidity pool.
Liquidity pool.
1 second. Just be like that. Only see my luck.
You deposit dollar.
How much?
Dollar virtual USDT.
Huh?
Dollar virtual USDT.
USDT 12.
Virtual dollar.
Okay, $12. See, all young people listening. Okay. See, I just came here, but where is the cafe? Give me a
Where are
cafe.
you from?
I'm from India.
India. What city?
Bangalore.
Bangalore.
Bangalore, not Bangladesh. Bangalore.
Bangalore.
Yeah, I was in USA.
Welcome to Bolivia.
Thank you very much. I came to do crypto business.
No, see, criptomonedas are not trading. No, esto no es trading. Not this trading. Es smart contract. Contratos
Yeah, very good. I am interested in smart
Internet,
contract.
blockchain.
But what is this one?
Café.
Ah.
¿Gustas con
Yeah,
café?
yeah. First give cafe and then talk. Okay.
Y así, muchachos.
See how is kept like this.
Vayan a su en serio. Ustedes que son chicos,
He is my
vienen aquí,
target.
¿no?
He
Vienen
does
aquí,
not know
entonces
that
me enseñan
I am a
cómo
predator.
Entonces,
Okay.
a mí me han enseñado que
I am a
primero tengo que estudiar.
predator.
¿Cuántos años
I'm going to
tiene?
listen. He is just targeting young people like this. Okay, see Abhinandan
¿Cuántos
Lakka.
años son? 12 años que has perdido tu tiempo en el
So this is
colegio.
the coffee he is giving.
De ahí, ¿qué te
This
dicen
is
los
the
papás?
coffee he is giving.
Tienes que
And see
estudiar,
what he put. I understood those
¿Cuánto
words.
dura una carrera universitaria?
Okay.
Si es que no te aplazan.
Invite and cafe to Ansar's Ganar in dollar. I know Ganar means earn. Dollars. You speak
Nada.
English?
Entonces ustedes desde jóvenes
No?
tienen que empezar a educarse financieramente.
So let me have the full
Busquen
patience.
educación financiera,
I enjoy. He does not know he is going to become the prey.
el flujo del dinero.
Prey or I am a predator means he is going to become my prey.
¿Tienes boliviano?
$12 what it
¿Tienes
is.
celular? Ya.
What is talking I do not know.
Tú te animas.
I will just listen completely what he says.
$2.
You want coffee?
Yo de estos
You want coffee?
te paso a ti. De
I'm telling to her.
Tú en bolivianos me pagas.
Let him finish this one.
No te puedo regalar.
Let me
Es mi
pause it.
plata.
My friend,
De esos
they are all
$2.
students. Hello.
Aló.
You leave them, let them go. They are all students. They won't have $12. I have $12 with me.
No, financial education.
Okay.
Children, adults, inviertan bien.
Okay, very good.
Okay?
Yeah, educate.
Entonces,
Yeah, you take your time. I'll finish
wait
the
a
coffee.
minute, wait a
Okay,
minute.
yeah.
Entonces,
See, he's sitting here in a nice market, targeting young people, but his message is very nice. $12. Okay, and So after I went and sat, other people are seeing him. But no one is coming and talking to him. Okay, I won't leave him. You know what he say? He is my prey now. Because he does not know that he is talking to a predator. He does not know I'm a predator. So what does a predator do? Tell me, what does a predator do? Respond to me. What does a predator do? Send me a message. Okay, let him finish. I'll stop recording and then record again. This is a place you can see a lot of beautiful people. Okay, and at the right place, I saw this one while I was walking like this after that honey lady. I know the word. Ganar means earn. Invite a cafe. He's sitting here, and let him see what he's talking. Okay.